what you and me are having are the two guitars which are looking different from each other, but their work is same. Like, they are called as the standard acoustic guitar. Okay, so they are having six strings on it. Okay,
Yeah.
how much strings are they having?
6.
Yeah, six strings, and each of them are having different names to each other. Okay, so like, if see, this is your first string. The bottommost string means the thinnest string over your guitar is your first string. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So this will be your first string. Then a string above it. This is your second string, which is B. The first string is E. The first is E.
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 E. E.
E.
E. Okay. E. The second one is B. What it is?
B.
B. The third one is G.
The third one is G.
Yeah. Third one means third from down. Okay. This. Yeah. This is the G string.
Yeah.
The fourth is your D. D. The fourth is the
D.
D.
The
Yeah.
fourth.
The fifth is the fourth is D. The fourth is D. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Ah,
The fourth is D.
yeah. And the fifth is A.
The fifth is A.
And the last one is again E.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The last one, the sixth one is also E. Okay. The first one is E. The second one is B. The third one is G. The fourth one is D, the fifth is A, and the sixth is E again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And can you see the hole on your guitar? The big round shape hole is there on your guitar.
Yes.
Yeah. My guitar is having a hole over here. Okay, and over here also. Okay. So the sound that our guitar is producing from that hole. Okay, from this hole.
Yes.
Okay, so if you wonder from where the sound of guitar is coming, then the answer to that is the hole which is there on the body of the guitar. It is
Yeah.
called as the sound hole of the guitar. Okay,
Sound hole.
yeah. And tell me, are you comfortable with the size of your guitar? Because I think that it is quite big for you. Is it? Are you comfortable with the size of the guitar?
No, sir. It's fine.
Oh, it's fine. Great, great. If you are okay, then absolutely fine. No, no worries. Okay, then Param, uh, I will demonstrate some styles of guitar playing to you, just to make aware of how the guitar is, how the learning process is starting, and how we do end up learning the guitar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the first exercise will be taught as you to hold the guitar. Okay, because the the positioning and how to hold the guitar is very important, because if the position is correct, then you can play it very easily. But if you are holding in a wrong position, then probably you will land it uh, into a trouble while playing guitar. Okay, so first of all, sit in an upright position. Okay, don't fold your knees. Don't fold your knees. Sit as if you are sitting on a chair or a stool. Sit like that. Okay, are you sitting on a bed right now? Yeah. So Param, make sure that you are sitting on a chair, because the posture that you have to get is this posture. And if you're sitting on the bed, then probably the guitar will be little bit uncomfortable for you. So sit on a chair.
Oh, 1 minute.
So how comfortable now your guitar is for you? Great. Yeah, great. I got the signal. Great. So yeah, Param, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Huh, okay. Uh, so now our left hand and our right hand both are playing equally important role in holding our instrument. Okay, in holding our instrument. The position of the right hand is equally important as your position of left hand. So yeah, first let's start with the left hand. Okay,
Yes.
the left hand, this hand, the hand. No, that is your right hand. My yeah, left hand. So with this, with the finger of your left hand, you will hold the notes on the guitar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And your first finger, the index finger, okay, the index finger should be placed over here on the first fret of E string. Okay. Yeah, but it should be placed over here. Okay. If
Here,
you can see,
the first string, no?
Okay, from here.
No, from here.
the fattest string, the last E string, the
Last
sixth one, the sixth one.
Okay.
With this finger.
Yeah. Yeah.
Last.
So that is your index finger, which will be placed over here in an initial time. Okay. Yeah. And your thumb, see, and your thumb of that same hand, your thumb will be placed in a straight position like this, in a straight position.
Straight position. That's it.
So what that will help you in moving your fingers easily. Okay, on all the frets of the guitar. Okay, so for today you just keep in mind that your left hand should be placed over here. Okay, it will develop more and more as you practice, and as we progress with our class, it will develop more and more. But for now, to give you an idea, I'm telling you to do that way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now coming to your right hand. Okay, now coming to your right hand. Okay, now it should be placed uh
On
not, no, not on the hole, not on the
not
hole.
on the hole. It should be placed in this place of the strings.
Yeah, right. Come, place that right hand, hold the you have this piece of plastic with you.
Yes.
Huh. Okay. uh Wait a minute, I will get a guitar similar to your guitar. Just wait a minute. Okay, I have a similar guitar which you are holding. Okay, just give me a minute, I will get that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, this is the sound hole. Okay, this is the hole on your guitar.
Sound hole.
Yeah, this is the hole. Now you
In
have
the
to
body
place.
of the guitar, we should hold this. We should put our right hand.
Yeah, but where we should put it, over here, means on, near to this side, near to this place of our sound hole, near to,
In the middle place.
No, here.
no, close to the sound hole, close to the sound hole.
There.
Yeah, there. Now bring your hand down, not here, here,
Hand down.
the right hand. Yeah, but not so close over here. little bit far, and bring
I think
little bit more down. Bring your arm little bit more down. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Now, now bring your right hand on the E string, on the top E string, on here. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. 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 Okay. 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 You got it almost correct. Almost correct. You got it. Okay. Now keep your right hand over there only. Keep your right hand over there only, and keep your left hand where I told you to keep. Yeah. And now, if you can do, just put your fourth finger, this fourth finger of your right hand, put as a support on your body, just as a support. Okay, just for the touch. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, great. And your plectrum should be in between your index finger and your thumb. Okay, your plectrum should be between your index finger and thumb, like this.
That kind of thing. Two fingers. Index
Like
finger and
this.
time. Two finger.
Yeah.
You're
Oh,
using
this
three.
too.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Very good. Okay, Param. So this is how. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Not a big issue in the your positioning. It will be cleared as time passes and as we proceed with our class. It will be clear. Okay. No issues.
Yes,
So,
sir.
but you got the idea of where you should keep your right hand and where you should keep your left hand. That idea you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So now, see, Param.
Yes, sir.
Param.
Yes, sir.
Our first
Yes, sir.
exercise will be our we will first start with our basic finger exercise. Now what is basic finger exercise? Now that exercise is used to make your fingers little bit flexible so that your fingers can move on the guitar. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to play the guitar.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
that exercise is called as, that exercise is called as 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So first we will start with only 1 and 2. Okay,
Not there. See, listen there.
Yes, sir.
see over here. Now first we will start with only 1 and 2. Okay, play, and then place your second finger over here. See, your first finger you should keep on the first fret. No, 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 not there. On the first fret. On the first fret of the E string. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. 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 There. And then you have to keep your, you have to plug that string, plug that note with your right hand with the help of this, like this.
Press this. Now. Okay.
Where you keeping? Don't move. Don't move your first finger. Keep it there only.
Keep it here only.
Keep it there only. Yeah, you have to just play it. Okay, you have to not move. Okay, you have to not move your first finger. You have to keep it there only. Okay, play,
Yes, sir.
play. Okay, okay, okay. But you know, for today it's okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But for today it's okay that you are new to the instrument. So I can't expect that you will do means like perfectly this exercise on the very first day. It will take time. But my point is that did you understand? Did you understood what I want from you to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have understood my point, then that's enough for today. Then that's enough for today. Okay.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
My mother wants to talk with you, sir.
Yes. 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 Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
hi. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I just want to know, is it possible for him to learn? Is it too big for him? The guitar is too big for him? Or should I
Guitar is no, guitar is perfect for him. I think so. But if you can get even smaller for him, then that will be much more appreciated.
okay.
Because and he can learn because he is showing interest uh, himself. Okay,
Mhm.
he himself is showing interest in learning, so he can learn.
Okay.
But only thing is to create a comfort zone for him. He needs a smaller size guitar
Okay.
because his left hand is working quite well, but when it comes to his right hand, then it is not fitting. Means the right hand is
हाँ, थोड़ा
not
बहुत बड़ा
reaching.
हाँ.
That is the right hand is not reaching till its E string.
हम्म.
He has to he is struggling to reach there.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you please suggest which guitar should I buy then for Sage?
Small size guitar, just plain small size guitar of any brand,
Okay.
can do, but it should be of small size, which will fit his body.
Okay. Okay.
So you can do one thing. You can take him to the nearby guitar shop, and you
Hmm.
can try with him only. Means you can place the guitar to him. You can give the guitar to him and tell him to try, but and see if he is comfortable with that size.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and the shop owner can also help you. The shop owner can also help you with the size of the guitar. Okay, it doesn't matter. The brand and the cost doesn't matter when we are starting to learn the guitar.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, because he has to just start learning the guitar. Okay, then when he will grow up, when he will get comfortable with the instrument, then if we think of buying an expensive guitar or a high budget guitar, then it makes sense. But for now, any brand can do.
Okay.
But there are certain brands which comes under the range of between 5,000 to 10,000.
Hmm.
If you can try them, then I can suggest you some names.
Okay.
But if any brand is providing that size of guitar to him, and if
Hmm.
he is comfortable with it, then that's perfect for him to start the guitar at this age.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Anything
much.
else, ma'am? Anything else?
Nothing else. Thank you so much. He understood whatever you taught him actually.
Okay, just two more points I have to show him.
Okay.
I have to make him clear. Can I see him?
Yes,
Very
sir. Yes, sir. Go on my place, sir.
okay.
Oh.
ऐसे पकड़ो ना.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Param, now I will demonstrate some songs to you. Okay. Now I will tell you what is chord playing. Okay, there are different types of playing in guitar. There is a chord playing, there is an arpeggio playing, there is a melody playing. Okay, so I will tell you what what which style is called what. Okay, like see, this is called as a melody playing. Okay, Param, see, so this type of playing is called as a melody playing or a lead playing. Okay, but mainly it is called as the melody playing. We are playing a melody. Melody means a song. Okay, we are playing a tune. Okay, so it is called as a melody. And then Param, and this is called as the rhythm playing, what which I will play before you now. This is called as the rhythm playing. Okay, this is called as
Rhythm playing.
rhythm playing. Yeah, and you and this is called this is called as the arpeggio playing, or a what it is called as.
Arpeggio playing.
Yeah, perfect. So these were some categories which I wanted to show to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it. And as we proceed with our class, then you will get to learn new stuff, and it will be fun for you to learn this instrument. You will really have a fun experience while learning this instrument.